My name is Brian Kipchumba. Um, I do diploma in ICT here at Kaiboy.
ICT.
Yes. Yeah, I want to show you my success through the digital. Yes, as you
Endelea.
can see, here is my Remotask account.
This is your
Remotask account.
remittance.
Remotask account.
Remotasks.
Yes, Remotask
Remotasks.
account. Yes.
Account.
Yes, I've been working online since 26th of December 2023 until
It's 26th of December.
yes,
It's okay. It's on. Sorry, just leave it.
yes, 2023 until now. As you see, Your Excellency, the total amount of money I've earned is $284.
$284.
Yes, $284. Yes.
That's like how much money?
284.
It's like 40 something.
45,000. That's like 45,000.
45,000.
Yes, minus the taxes, you get like 40,000.
Minus?
The taxes, yes. Yes, Your Excellency, my recent payouts, as you see, is $172.50. That was on
So you
day
worked
2,
between?
yes. I worked
That was for work between when and where?
between 26 December until that.
Yes.
Yes.
Uh-huh.
So, Your Excellency, as you see here is my recent payout,
So that is 100 and
172 recent payout.
that is for almost a month.
No, that's just per week.
That's per week.
Yes, that's per week, yes.
170.
172, yes. As you see, I've worked for
That's like 20, that's how much?
that's
26,000
26 years.
per week.
Yes, 26 per week.
Na huko shuleni?
Niko shule. Niko shule.
Unaendelea na shule?
Kabisa.
Very good, very good. Pongezi.
Thank you. Yes.
Very good.
Yes.
So what tasks are you doing? You work.
Yes.
How many hours do you work?
We have task. You are given a task and you can calculate the time. Like you have a task for 1 hour. Yes. I do an expert task training of AI, like ChatGPT AI. We have Google Bart. Yes, this all AI. We are training on Remotask.
Yes.
So we are able to train. You are given like 1 hour or 2 hours. So at the end of those 2 hours, you are able to get paid on the correct work done. Yes. So that's why you see here I have the payouts. That was 49 and 172. That's the correct work done.
I have been trying to explain to Kenyans
Yes, Your Excellency.
that it is possible to earn working digital jobs.
Yes.
Can you confirm that it is a reality?
Yes, I can confirm them through my account that it online really pays. As you see my account now, I'm able to earn more than 10,000 per week. I can say that online pays.
And this is for just and you're still in school.
I'm still in school, yes.
You know, it's not a full time. It's just for a few hours.
Yes.
Yeah. So so you'll help me persuade young people that there is opportunity in digital jobs.
Yes, I can tell them that online pays and let them come here. It's free. You can get free Wi-Fi, free internet, and able to work online.